We're here today at Morrisons because Morrisons are employing one of the BESNA 7 NG Baileys who are determined to inflict a new agreement on us that we're not ready to accept. In fact, we won't accept. Morrisons have got to know that Baileys are one of the companies that are inflicting, and I would stress the word inflicting, not agreeing an agreement with us, upon us. We're asking Morrisons to stop using NG Baileys in any future contracts that they may award.
And how's the protest gone today?
The protest's gone very, very well. It has its desired effect. We're trying to get the media interested. This is the rank and file movement, this. These are the lads that are coming from all over the country to protest. If we have to cause traffic disruption to get our point across, then we believe that's been a success.
We think that people in the cars here walking in today realise the injustice that's being done to electricians and mechanical tradesmen by companies unilaterally deciding to tear up national agreements and saying to them, without any discussion, sign or be sacked this new agreement which will give you a 30% pay cut and a de-skilling in areas of your work, with no right to negotiation through unions. I'm sure they'll be disgusted.
We'll carry on these protests as long as these 7 are intent on inflicting this BESNA agreement.
NG Baileys Unite members are going to be balloted for official strike action. Balfour Beatty Engineering Services tried unsuccessfully to overturn illegal ballots, and that has been successful in the Unite Union members' favour. This protest, this campaign will go on until these 7 companies get back into the GRB and then discuss sensibly how the GRB agreement can be improved for electrical and mechanical tradesmen.
They've been trying to inflict this on us for years.